Now, you probably have added AI to your workflow by now. A chatbot here, an automation there. But here is the gap that no one is talking about. Every AI tool that you're using lives outside of your actual work. You visit it, ask a question, and carry the answer back to wherever your team is actually communicating. The AI has no idea what you discussed last Tuesday with the team, that one message that your colleague sent to say, hey, let's set the focus this way versus that way. Plus, it doesn't know who's responsible for what. And to give it that much context would take a lot of additional work. And that gap between your AI and your real workflow is costing you more than you think. But today, Zenzap solves this in a way that I have not seen anywhere else. Instead of having to connect your AI to your work chat, there are AI agents that are actually inside of it as actual team members. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how this works. We're talking about AI agents as native chat members, AI search, multi-agent coordination, and we're gonna cover the pricing. Let's get into it. Now, before we dive in, I have partnered with Zenzap on this video. Use that first link down below in the description and you could save an additional 33% when you sign up for the annual plan. Plus, you could get started today completely for free with no credit card required. Alright, so what exactly is Zenzap? At its core, Zenzap is a professional work chat platform built for businesses. I have another video that I go in depth on all their core features, the task management, organized conversations, compliance, everything you need to know that you could check out down in the description. What I want to focus in on today is what makes Zenzap different and will 10x all your team communication with agentic work chat. And this means that Zenzap is not just a place where your team may chat, it's actually a place where your team and your AI agents work together in the same place. Same chat, same tasks, and same context. Now, let's talk about the AI features. The biggest shift in Zenzap is how AI agents participate in the workspace. In most tools, you set up an integration, and that means you send the AI a message, it responds, and that's basically it. But in Zenzap, agents join the chat the same way a human teammate would. They have access to the full conversation history from day one. Plus, if you're gonna migrate from WhatsApp, you could pull all that conversation history from WhatsApp into Zenzap that the AI agent can access as well. The agents are gonna know who's in the chat and what their role is. They can assign tasks to others, plus they can work across multiple chats and topics simultaneously. Because they're present inside the actual work environment, they have something most AI tools never get: real context. Just think about that for a minute. This is not just the data you feed them up front and hope that they understand all the other context within the conversation. Rather, this is an ongoing social and operational context of your organization. Now, it's important with this type of power that you're able to stay in control. Agents are assigned to specific teams, departments, locations, or projects, just like human team members. They only operate within the teams they belong to. You get the power of AI without it running loose across your whole organization. Now, we're gonna talk more about agents, but I do wanna talk a little bit about AI search. One of the strongest features in Zenzap is AI search. The problem it solves is a familiar one. You know that moment when you remember something was said or shared, but you can't find it? Maybe you forgot the keyword, or it's buried in a voice note, or it was something that happened months ago and you can't seem to locate where. The AI search is an answer engine built on your own data. You just ask natural questions like, what's the office door code? Or something like, where is the vendor contract that we signed? Or how many tickets came in last week? And it will search across messages, files, PDFs, images, and voice notes to return an answer. Plus, that answer will be linked back to the direct sources it pulled from. Now, the part worth calling out as we are talking about the AI agents and building AI workflows. Check this out. Your agents can use this same search capability. Instead of loading an agent with a massive context window up front, the agent can query the workspace and pulls exactly what it needs on demand. That's not just useful. Fundamentally, that is a cleaner way of using AI to improve and scale your work. Now, we've covered the AI agents and the AI search and how the AI agents can use search. But what we need to talk about now is multi-agent coordination. Once you have more than one agent in the mix, you need a way for them to work together. Zenzap supports this natively. Multiple agents can participate in the same chat, collaborate on a request, and coordinate decisions, including through a built-in mechanism that lets agents surface different perspectives and converge on a conclusion. This is like adding new team members into the conversation. Let me give you a practical example. Let's say one agent does research, then another drafts, and a third reviews. They could all do this within the same thread, without having to switch workflows and without having to do it manually. Your agents could also set up workspace structure for you. Let's say you're onboarding a new vendor or a client and you want to create a new chat. Well, the agents can open chats, create tasks, and add other agents, and then invite you in when everything is ready to go. Now, this is really powerful, but it's very important as well, and Zenzap did not skip a beat here to have admin control and governance. Inside of Zenzap, you have a full admin dashboard showing you everything agents do, and that means you get a full audit trail on all agent activity, one-click removal if you need to revoke access, plus your data stays in your workspace. It is also GDPR compliant and SOC 2 compliant on every plan. Agents will work inside of your business structure and not around it. Now, let's talk pricing. First, they have a free plan, and that includes a lot. You get up to 5 AI agents along with all the core communication features. So for a small team just getting started with AI agents, this is a real place to explore without even spending $1. Next, in their Pro plan, you get up to 15 AI agents plus the full task management suite, which means checklist templates, subtasks, calendar sync, smart sorting, and a lot of strong privacy and workspace controls. This plan starts at $37 a month when you sign up for the annual plan, and that is for up to 20 users. Compared to other tools, you are going to save over $1,300 a year. Next, they have their Business Plus plan, which is great if you are serious about these AI workflows. Get this, you could have up to 100 AI agents, full API access, integrations with your other business tools, and unlimited file storage. Not to mention, you also get an admin analytics dashboard. And that means if you're connecting Zenzap to your CRM, your data systems, or building multi-agent pipelines, this is where you want to be. The plan starts at $67 per month when you sign up annually, and that's for up to 20 users as well. And next, they have their enterprise plan. This is going to add SSO, SAML, SCIM, and enterprise encryption key management, as well as audit logs, custom integrations, and a dedicated customer success manager. This includes all the core things you're going to need to get started with an enterprise level plan, and this is built specifically for organizations that need AI at scale with full governance. And not to mention, on all of these plans, guests and external collaborators can be added to specific chats at no extra cost. You only pay for your internal team. And if you're ready to get started, use that first link down below in the description. Now, who is this for? If you are a team managing operations across departments, locations, or time zones, the context gap between your AI and real work is really costly. And this bridges the gap for your entire team. So if you are looking to build more AI-powered workflows within your business, plus with the combination of AI search and multi-agent coordination, all in one secure platform, this is something that you're not going to find anywhere else. This is something that will change how your business operates. If you're ready to get started, use that link down below. And hey, if you got value from this video and you want more content like this, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.